In front of me is iPhone SE from 2022, and let me show you how to create Memoji on this phone. So at first you need to open any area where you can input some text and click on Memoji icon. So tap on plus, and to create it, just click on Get Started. First of all, you need to pick your skin color. It's working this way. Then pick the freckles if you would like to add it. You can also paint your cheeks a bit. So here you've got the color and then the area that would be painted. Now you can add some beauty spots. And that's it in this first tab. Then let's go to hairstyle. So at first you can choose the color of your hair. Here you've got all the options. And now just pick the haircut. As you can see, you've got a pretty long list of possible haircuts. You will definitely find something suitable. And let me choose this one. Then if you would like to create highlights, just mark it, pick the color, and then the layout. So let me leave it this way. Maybe let me add a blue color. So that's it. Now we can go to browse. So at first pick the shape. Also you can change the color if you want to. And then you can add forehead mark and piercing. Then let's go to eyes. So here you can pick the eyes shape. And also you can add eyelashes and eyeliner if you want to. The color along with the particular and the particular shape of your eyeliner. So that's it. Let's go to head now. So here you can pick the age of your memoji. Then also the shape itself. And then let's switch to nose. Here you can pick one from three following nose shapes, and then also you can add some nose piercing and oxygen tube if you want to. Let's skip to mouth, and here you can change the shape of your mouth. Let me choose this one. Also obviously the color. And then you can add some mouth piercing also. And then tone piercing. Then let's go to ears. So here you can choose the shape and earrings also with the color. Then the audio if you'd like to pick something. So let me choose the AirPods. If you click on facial hair, you can also add them. And then you can pick the color. So if you'd like to add some mustache, just mark it and then apply it. But I will leave it this way. Then let's open Eyewear. And here you can choose the shape of your glasses. Let me choose this one, and obviously at the top you've got the color. And then you can also manage eye patch if you would like to add it. But let me leave it this way. Now we've got headgear, so just pick the head that you'd like to apply. So let me apply, for example, this one. Obviously you can change the color at the top. And I will add it this way. You can also add some second color and third if available to your head. Then let's go to clothes. and here you can manage it. So just pick the outfit that you would like to wear here. Obviously the color is at the top of the list, so again you can apply the colors, also the second color, and third if it's on your shirt. And that's it. Now click on done, and here you've got it. So now you can send any emoji you want. Here you've got all of them. You can apply it to your messages, to mails, notes, anywhere actually where you input your texts. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.